When Lorenzo originally installed my system, he attached the fuse holder under the hood to just a little piece of metal next to the battery. It's a very common thing to do. Now he's going to make it look a little more professional and print out a new fuse holder mount with our new 3D printer. The first step is assessing the location of the mount, taking some measurements, and creating a rough sketch. SolidWorks is a solid modeling computer-aided design and engineering program that allows you to design any custom shape or object to be printed. You can literally print anything you want and create custom designs and models for other people to use. We'll be using the Sindo 3D printer and gray ABS filament to create the mount. ABS is a very common plastic polymer that is extremely light and surprisingly durable. The printer works kind of like a regular photo or paper printer, but instead of ink, it deposits melted and liquefied ABS into the design's mold. In order to melt the ABS and create the shape, the bed of the printer must reach 89 degrees Celsius, which is about 192 degrees Fahrenheit. And the nozzle, which does the molding, must reach 229 degrees Celsius, about 444 degrees Fahrenheit. Jesus Christ! The entire process isn't really as complicated as you'd expect. The printer basically does all of the work, but the printing itself does take some time. Even a small object like this mount will take about an hour. So sit tight, get comfy, we're going to show the entire process unedited, all 82 minutes of it. You ready? Joking, these are jokes, people. That'd be psychotic. We tried to write Boston Jim's famous catchphrase into the mold, but the font was too small, so ignore the rough edge where it's supposed to be. Other than that, the print came out great. The final step is installation. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like this video if you enjoyed it, dislike it if you hate it, and go ahead and leave some comments below.